Watch closely. This struggling South Korean factory was on the brink of closure. Suddenly, today, the factory received a massive $10 million order. The client needs them to manufacture a batch of large integrated gear bearings within half a month. Workers first used a crane to lift a 30-ton steel column to the cutting machine. As the saw blade operated, cutting fluid sprayed out. After collecting a certain amount, workers used a lifting arm to send them into the forging furnace, heated to over 1200 degrees. The moment the door opened, the heated steel blanks glowed like gold brick. A robotic arm transferred them to the forging machine. Under a 10,000-ton press, the steel blanks were quickly forged into round steel discs. The excess material in the middle of the discs was then punched out, forming a perfect donut shape. The stacked steel discs were reheated in the furnace. After reheating, the steel discs were moved to the ring rolling machine. As the ring rolling machine rotated, the steel discs were slowly stretched into standard bearing rings. The cooled bearing rings were then transferred to the machining workshop, where CNC machines completed the entire process. After pressing the start button, the lathe cut the bearing rings according to preset parameters. 3 hours later, the workpieces had a very bright surface and standard ball grooves. The outer teeth were also machined, with chips falling off as the bearings slowly took shape with uniform teeth. Finally, the finished bearing rings were fitted with evenly spaced balls, completing a large gear bearing. Where do you think such bearings are typically used?